Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi to my new subscribers, I'm glad you're here. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to sketch or how I sketch or draw on the spot with flowers in the basket. So I'm just using my ink brush here and India ink. So I'm just really keeping my hands loose, not to hold the brush too tight to give freedom in doing sketching or drawing to the surface that I'm working on. So I am mostly outlining the petals and leaves around. I'm just really sketching simple flowers without using any reference for now. And I'm going to make it look natural by spreading the blues in different sizes and angles too. And this is like drawing a bouquet, but the only difference is they are all in the basket. Don't forget to add leaves around so it doesn't look too tight, and I also decided to make the flowers overlap to each other rather than just touching for the composition. And since this is just a sketch, I'm not trying to draw in realistic style. I'm just relaxing and letting my mind have the chance to bring out the loose styles that I'm trying to convey in this video. If you are not confident yet to draw or sketch in pen directly, you can use pencil and just have fun. Yes, make the process fun. Most of the time, if I'm not painting, for example, a realistic flowers or drawing, that I tend to go on details deeply, but since I'm into just loose style for now, it helps to break down the shapes and give myself freedom to create and just be yourself. You can practice doing loose florals if you had a hard time doing a realistic flowers for now, and give yourself time to experiment with different kinds of flowers that you can think of or that you wanted to draw. This is just really simple flowers in the basket. Give yourself freedom to do some organic lines, and it will be helpful as you go. Exercise your hand for doing straight lines, but in this case, you really don't have to make it very straight. I'm using a Sharpie marker here to make some patterns for the basket. These are just made of lines and little patterns, mostly straight lines and zigzag lines. So thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. You can draw flowers, just believe in yourself and keep on creating. Please subscribe for more flower drawings and tips. See you in the next video and happy drawing and sketching.